Welcome back to Jesse's Performance, everybody. Today I am working on the split bumper. It's not nighttime yet, but I'm going to get this big old Willwood brake kit prepared to install on this car while I wait for the spindles to show up. So here we go. We got this big old 14-inch brake kit, 6 piston calipers, 2-piece billet rotors. Huge, like I say, 14 inches, so this thing should be able to stop. It does come with instructions. It does come with 1/2-inch studs. We have to pack the bearings to put the seals in, and we do have to assemble the rotors with these cute little bolts this end. So let's get to it. Alright, I got the rotors and the hubs assembled with the studs, and the rotors are completely assembled. Now I have to pack these bearings and put the seals in. Then we'll be ready to mount these on the car. All right, everybody, from now until Labor Day, Holley is having their RPM Labor Day sale. It includes up to 30% off of great brands like Holley, Sniper, Flowmaster, Diablo, MSD, and many more. Don't forget to shop Holley.com for these great deals, and I'll see you on the next one. With all the power upgrades this car is going to be receiving, we're going to opt and upgrade to some 35 spline axles. We like to use these cut to length axles that have extra spline on them, and you can dial them in just the length you need them. With the Ford 9-inch and a center pinion, each axle is going to be different lengths, so make sure you measure them for your application. And with every new axle gets new axle studs, then we're off to the races.
Reach out, don't wait.
installed except for our nuts here. So I got to get some of those. I thought we came to kit. I was wrong. We got our uppers on. We got our little control arms on. We got our spindles on. I got some, look at the brake lines and get these nuts and caps on. This bad boy will be set in the front end. I'm excited. And here is the rear all finished up. This is a 13-inch 4-piston kit, and it has an electric emergency brake. I haven't used one of these before. This will be the first one on this car, but it's got a module and wiring, and it should be really, really cool and easy to install. All right, everybody. You see me do the front brakes? You watch me do the back brakes. I even put a bonus clip in there of me cutting down axles for this bad boy, so things are moving right along. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell. Check out our merch store, jessiestore.com, for all the great apparel, all the stuff we're wearing, except for me. Yeah. And last but not least, stay tuned for next week's episode of me putting brake lines on this bad boy. That's going to be